The history of Chichén Itzá. The ancient city of Chichén Itzá, located in the Yucatan Peninsula, is one of the new seven wonders of the world. It is home to some of the best preserved Maya ruins in the region. Chichén Itzá was founded in the 6th century AD by a group of Maya settlers who probably came from the lowlands of the Yucatan. For hundreds of years, it was a powerful, wealthy city. Its seaport, Isla Cerritos, enabled the Itzá to trade with distant peoples and nations. The name Chichén Itzá can roughly be translated as "at the edge of the well of enchanted water." This reference to enchanted water explains why it was an important Maya pilgrimage site for 1,000 years. The sacred water is found in an underground lake called the cenote, in a cave shaped like the Maya world tree. Here, priests and rulers offered gifts to the gods. In the city, the original buildings were made of limestone in an architectural style called puuk. Stones were left plain at the bottom of a building, but at the top they were carved with geometric patterns and images of the rain god Chak. At least 80 stone causeways ran between clusters of pyramids and temples. There were also 13 ball courts. Around 1000 AD, Chichén Itzá was invaded and conquered. Its new inhabitants built many buildings of their own, this time in the Toltec style. Their stones were carved with pictures of serpents and skulls. On the site of an already ancient temple, they built a new gigantic stone step pyramid. On top, they erected a temple to their serpent god Kukulkan. The temple of Kukulkan, known as El Castillo in Spanish, has 365 steps. At the spring and autumn equinoxes, the sun is at just the right angle to create an eerie shadow on the steps that looks like a slithering snake. And then, just as quickly as the city was populated, it was abandoned. By the end of the 13th century, Chichén Itzá was home only to wild animals. Though it remained a holy place, its days of glory were over.